Alright, this is the ECCT coil test demonstration where we'll take our Model T coil, insert it into the ECCT, and turn on power by pressing and holding the select button for 5 seconds until the LED light comes on. We'll first test the capacitor by pressing down on the vibrator spring without touching the upper points and pressing the test button to test the capacitor. In this case, the results are good, and because the value is 0.47 microfarads as read on the lower scale, and the leakage is low, so a good reading is achieved. We're going to now advance the select button to the coil dwell time test, and we're going to press the test button to test the coil. We see that it's firing very early, and in this case it looks like it's double sparking. The two LEDs are indicating of double sparking. Double sparking is corrected by increasing the cushion spring tension using the upper bridge adjusting tool by prying up just gently. It's a very sensitive measurement and doesn't take much to do it. In this case, just a little bit did it. Now we have a single spark, but it's firing a little too early. So we'll take our coil adjusting hammer and tap down very gently on the rear bridge to move that over to center scale as indicated by the arrow on the top saying to tap down. It's an iterative process. If we went too far, we would pry up on it a little bit. The metal also has a tendency to relax a little. We see it's still double sparking, so we're going to increase that cushion spring tension. Now the two measurements, the two adjustments I should say, interact, so when we do that we may need to adjust the vibrator spring a little bit. So we have some inconsistency here, and so we're going to increase the cushion spring tension a little bit more. And we're going to reduce the vibrator spring tension to send the LED, it says, to pry up back to the center. That looks like it's done the job. To check the firing consistency, we advance the test using the select button to the multi-spark test. Pressing the test button will begin a series of 100 sparks. You can see it sparking there. When it's done, the results will be shown on the display. And you can see here that all firings are within plus or minus 1 degree of timing error, and the results are considered good.